Today we're going to be doing a review on the Bissell Big Green Cleaning Machine. We've had for a couple years now, and it's been fantastic keeping our carpets clean, not only in our living areas but also on our stairs. And we thought we'd just go through and show you a little bit of a demo on how it actually works. If you're interested in purchasing one of these Bissell Big Green Cleaning Machines, we'll have the link in the description below that you can click on that and go to the website that gives you the best price. So the first thing you need to do to get started is to fill up the bin that contains all of the cleaning water. So what you do is you just lift up on this handle here and unlatches it. And you take this piece off, and then this bin carries all the dirty water that you dump out later, and the container on the lower side contains the cleaning water. Now we'll fill this up to the fill line, I think it's marked here, and then we'll also put the cleaning solution in it. And once we fill that up and get it ready, then we'll be ready to clean. Also, one of the tips that we'll, also another tip is to make sure you use hot tap water. Don't do something like use boiling water in this, because it wouldn't be good for the plastics, but just use hot water that comes out of your tap, so that way it really gets in the carpet and helps clean the carpet. Now that we've added the hot, clean tap water into the machine, we're going to go ahead and put our detergent in. And this is some detergent that's recommended from Bissell. This actually contains some OxyClean detergent as well, so this should get the carpet really nice and clean. So what you do is, for the directions of your cleaning detergent, you'll fill up to the point where it says, I think this is 1 capful is all it's needed. Pour it into the bin where the water is. Replace this. So once your detergent and your water is in your tank, then you just need to put the dirty water container in place and this top piece here, lock it down, and you're ready to go. First, you need to vacuum the carpet before you use the carpet cleaner. That'll get the majority of the dirt and grime out of the carpet, so that way the carpet cleaner can actually get all that really caked in dirt and get that out of your carpet, make it look like new again. You need to push down the screen handle, and then this big handle folds down so you can operate the machine. What you want to do is you want to turn the machine on and pull this red handle, go forward over the carpet, let go of the red handle, and then pull it back, and then do it one more time without the red handle depressed. And what I'll do is I'll get all of the dirty water sucked back into the machine, and then you'll go move the machine overlap by a few inches, by about 3 inches, and then do it again. So you'll So what you'll do once you're done cleaning your whole carpet, or once this bin is full that you need to dump, you'll pull this off, take it to a sink, like a utility sink, or maybe even in the bathroom, and you'll remove this top piece here, and then dump the dirty water out. And then once you're done, put this back, carry it back over to your machine, and then you're ready to go again. All right, so just so you know, once you're done cleaning the carpet will still be a little bit damp, and that's normal. It will take a little bit of time for it to dry. Once the carpet is dry, then I would recommend going back over the carpet with your normal vacuum. That will help fluff the carpet back up in case there's any spots that are kind of matted down. But in general, that's pretty much the process. A couple other nice features about this machine. It does come with a hose and a hand attachment tool. The hose just plugs into this piece here, and the attachment tool is really great for cleaning things like your furniture or your stairs. It gets the job done really well. Another nice thing in terms of storage is this handle here folds down for storage, which is really great. So you don't have to, you can maybe tuck this in underneath your stairs or somewhere else that maybe doesn't have a lot of room. So it's a fairly big machine, but it can be pretty compact, and I'd say probably just a little bit bigger than a normal upright vacuum would be. So who is this good for? Well, if you're looking at purchasing one of these, I would highly recommend it if you have kids or pets. This thing can be a lifesaver and really help make sure that your carpets stay clean and stay in the best condition as possible. If you don't have kids, you don't have pets, or you find that you only clean your carpets on occasion, then I would probably recommend renting one of these units. And you can find these at different locations like Lowe's or Home Depot. I believe carries them, maybe some grocery stores as well. So I hope you found this video interesting. Again, if you'd like to purchase one of these units, the link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. The goal of Top Homeowner is to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching.